this video we will be assembling the Love Struck Gnome. Okay, and so I've got all my pieces laid out, and I am going to start by assembling my box. This box is a 2 by 2 by 2 1/4. You do have the ability to make this bigger if you'd like. I've kept the pieces for the box separated so that you have the ability to make it bigger. So the box goes together very simply. You just want to line up right up against that line. So it's a box without a lid. There's no lid on the box. This would be cute for some classroom treats if you have kids that are in school. Go together quickly for a Valentine's party. If you were having a gnome wedding theme, which I guess is possible. These would be cute as the little favors. So there's my box, and I'm just going to set that aside, and we're going to work on our main pieces. So if you would like, there are pieces in there for a back of a gnome. The hair piece does not have the arch up to go around her face for the back. It's just curved at the bottom. So that's how you identify which hair piece is for the back. And I'm just going to ink these edges real quick. I'm using a greenish blue here to ink this. I'm going to get all of my inking done first so that I don't have to go back and forth from ink to... I'm going to use a blue for all of my white pieces, which I guess on her is just hair. She doesn't have a beard. Okay. For my pieces of flesh, my face, my hands, and my nose, I'm going to use some pink. That's a hand. This is a hand. Whoops. I have to flip that one over. And then we have her nose. Okay. For the heart, since it's dark red, I'm going to use black ink pad. Okay, so I'm going to put the back together first. To start with the clothes. Then the hair. You will notice some curves here on the side. Those are the curves made by her hair. So you just want to line that up. And then lastly, the hat. Okay, so the back of her is finished. And now let's work on the front. So again, we're going to start with her dress. The next piece that goes on is her face. You're just going to line that up here in between these top two curves, okay? And then comes her hair. Just want to line that up to the curves there. Okay, now before we do her hat, there are some slits in the hat, and it is for the arrow to go through. So the first thing you want to do is put your wood stick here on your arrow. And you'll notice it's a little bit longer than that, and it's supposed to be. Then you're going to take this and you're going to slide it through your slits. There we go. Whoops. Make sure that gets up under there. Okay, once you have that through, then you can apply your heart. So I'm going to start with the glue on the back. You're going to sandwich this between and I goofed. This heart is not symmetrical, and I do want so that I don't have a messed up piece on the back, I'm going to use this heart now on the back, because my paper has a texture, and I want the texture to be facing the front. So I'm going to put that on. And then just sandwich your arrow here right between your two hearts. Okay. And then you can adjust it however you like. Point up, point down. I am going to put her hat on with some foam tape. So see, she is love struck. Just take a minute and make sure I get that lined up correctly. There we go, that's cute. She does have a heart you can put at the top of her hat if you'd like. You may feel like that's too many hearts, or and then put on her little nose. Now her heart, I am going to, I think I want to pop up her hands for one, and then I am going to pop the heart. And before I put that on, I'm going to put her on the box. So apply your glue on the box. And you just want to center her on there. Oops. Got her hanging over the edge. And then put your piece on the back. There we are. And now I'm going to apply some foam squares here to the back of her heart, and then put these on the box. You just want to make sure this doesn't go over the bottom. And there you have your love struck gnome. Thank you.